In this session, let's look at some of the common venture capital financing methods. They are equity financing, conditional loan, income note, participating debenture. In equity financing, what happens is venture capitalists will be contributing funds in the form of equity share capital. It will not exceed 49% of total capital of that venture capital undertaking. That is the entity where they are investing funds. So this has some benefit. The benefit is there is going to be effective control and ownership with that entrepreneur itself, because VC's contribution is not exceeding 49%. The second one is conditional loan. See, this conditional loan is basically the funds given by venture capitalist, and these got to be repaid as royalty. Okay, how it is repaid? It is repaid as royalty. And when it is repaid? When that business is able to generate sales. So even though it is coming in the form of loan, actually there is no interest here because it is paid in the form of royalty. And if you take in India, venture capitalists, they'll be charging somewhere between 2% to 5% as royalty, and this rate actually depends on various factors like gestation period, cash flow patterns, risk, and other factors. In some cases, venture capitalists will also give choice to entity to pay interest instead of royalty. In that case, it will be very high, many times greater than 20%. Okay, so this is instead of royalty, and this will be paid only when business becomes commercially sound. Okay, that's about conditional loan. Moving on to the third one, that is income note. See, this income note is basically a hybrid security. This combines features of both conventional loan and conditional loan. Here, entrepreneurs have to pay interest as well as royalty on sales, but this will be at lower rates. Here, the funding by venture capitalists for these entities will be somewhere like 80 to 87.5% of the project cost, and that will be mainly for commercial application for indigenous technologies. Okay. Then the fourth one is participating debenture. This participating debenture basically will have three phases. That is startup phase, at which no interest have to be paid. Then comes the second stage where a lower rate of interest have to be paid, and this will be charged up to a particular level of operation. And once that business starts making or achieving a good level of operations, that is called as third stage, and in that stage high rate of interest have to be paid. Okay, so these are all the common venture capital financing methods.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.